Hi, I'm Kip from kiphakes.tv, and today I am unboxing something, and it's a very unexpected something. You see, this little goodie, this RØDE Wireless GO set, appeared in my post box today, and I didn't know it was coming, and it is actually a Christmas present from a very dear friend. I'm not going to say who it is because it would just embarrass them, but their link might pop up in the corner of the screen. I don't know, but anyway, so yeah, this is a RØDE Wireless GO, and I've been wanting one of these for ages, and it's here, and I can't quite believe it. So for those of you who don't know what a RØDE Wireless GO is, basically it's a wireless microphone set, and it comprises of two parts. You've got this, which is the receiver that plugs into your camera, and this is the transmitter, and it's also a microphone. So you clip this to your clothes and it will send sound wirelessly to this guy, which is plugged into your camera. But as well as that, it can act as a microphone pack, so you can plug in a lav mic that can go on your clothes and have the wire running down, like, you know, like an actual TV person. And so yeah, it's battery powered, it's got sealed enclosed batteries, and it's really going to increase the quality of the sound on my vlogs that I shoot out and about on my Sony ZV-1. Now the Sony ZV-1 has got a great microphone in it, and it's really good for sort of shooting multiple things, so like me talking in the background while I'm filming something and picking up James or Vicky or George on the camera as well. But when I'm filming things that's just me, because it picks up lots of sound, sometimes it's just really hard to hear the sound of me talking, and sometimes that's all, you know, I want the sound to focus on. So this will give me a lot more of a focused sound when I'm filming, so I am forever grateful to receive this. And yeah, so today I'm going to unbox this and set it up on my Sony camera, and we'll just give it a go and see how it works. So yes, without further ado, can you hear that? It sounds like there's rice in there. I'm intrigued what's in there. I've not actually opened it up yet, so hopefully there's not rice in there. So anyway, let's switch to the overhead camera and we'll get this unboxed. So there we go. There is the RØDE Wireless GO. Just put this out. Oh, look at that. It's got a very satisfying little thing there. It's got a tear strip like that. It is like unwrapping a Christmas present. I wonder what is making that rattly sound. It might be like a silica gel bag that's split or something. I don't know. What's inside the box? Okay, I don't know what was making that sound, but this is the pouch that they get stored in. Let's have a little look. Oh my goodness, they're so diddy. Look at that. There we go. So we've got the receiver there. It's got a little screen on it, and this is the transmitter. Right, so let's put the pouch up there for now. Okay, so let's see. Ah yes, look, it's a big old pack of silica gel. That can be sweets for your children. It's not sweets for your children. Let's put that over there. That's why it was making such rattly noises. So what else is in the box? We've got the regulatory and safety card, you know, because of rules. And we seem to have a dead cat. We've got two dead cats. I guess these go on the top of the transmitter if you're using that as a microphone. Right, let's make sure we can see everything. Now we've got two USB-C cables, which is good. Regular viewers to this channel will know I'm a big fan of the USB-C. So there we go. Obviously charges through USB-C. And this is, I think it's called an SC cable. It's basically the cable that connects the receiver into your camera. So there we go. Right, so let's have a little look at these guys in more detail. Okay, so here is our receiver. Now bear in mind, I've not really looked at these in much detail, so it's all a bit new to me. Okay, so I'll turn it on. Turn on button. Wireless Go. There we go. Hang on. Oh look, it doesn't have much in the way of battery life. Now it seems to be searching for the transmitter. Let's turn that on. There we go. Oh hello, look, it's connected immediately and it is picking up the sound of me talking. Now it's got battery life for both of them. Can you see the battery? They're both in the red, so I think before we do much more I'm going to have to leave these guys on charge for a little while. But so we've got a signal strength bar and also a connection bar and also a bit of a sound bar as well, so you can see the audio levels live on the camera. That's cool. That is good. Yeah, and they've both got. Actually, let's check. Whee! Throwing them around. Okay, so let's turn them off for now. There we go. And we'll take a look at the connectors and things on both of them and the buttons. So that's the power button there on the receiver. And then on the bottom we've got the dB button, which alters the audio level, and we have got a pairing button. They do come paired with each other, but if you wish to change the pairing, I guess you use that. And then what have we got on this side? We've got a USB-C connector. That's the connector that goes to the camera. So that's your audio output, and that's all that's there. And this is just a protective tab on the screen to cover the screen. Right, and what we got on the transmitter, so we've got a USB-C connector, we've got the actual microphone that's inbuilt, it's got a battery light and also a link light, and then there's the connector there. I think it's a TRS connector for a lav mic, and that is basically it. So I think these dead cats, can you see they've got these red things here and they clip into there. That's really handy. So it looks like a little Tina Turner thing. Anyway, so yeah, that's good, and it's also got a clip on it. Excellent. Now I think you can put these into a shoe mount on a camera, but I'm not entirely sure how. I will investigate. I don't want to break anything. So yeah, that's that. So what I'm going to do now, because they don't have much charge in the units, before we do any more playing with them, I'm just going to give them a quick charge, and then what we'll do is we'll get them connected up to my Sony camera and do some sound tests, I guess. Anyway, back in a second. Right, well, we're back, and these guys have had a bit of a charge. Now what we're going to try and do is set them up on my Sony ZV-1 camera. Now I did learn something quite interesting while I was waiting for them to charge, and basically the cold shoe mount is the clip. So if I show you on here, can you see? Isn't that smart? So it's now on my camera. Let's plug in the cable first of all. And plug into the external microphone port there. And plug this in here. Okay, so that is now connected to my camera. Turn this on. There we go. And then let's turn this side on as well. Lovely. And it's connected and picking up sound, you can see that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clip this onto my thing here. So you can connect a lavalier microphone to this and have it like in your pocket and have just the lav mic here, but I don't have one of those. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clip it there like that on my clothes. I mean, it doesn't look terrible. I suppose you could probably put it on the inside of your clothes as well. But I'll just leave it there for now and see how it sounds. So this is the lower setting. That's the mid setting. And that's the high setting. I thought that was signal strength to start with, but no, that's what's going on here. So if we put it on the lowest setting, I'd say, there we go. Testing, testing. So let's see how the camera finds this, if the camera finds this. Let me make sure you can see the screen. There we go. Right, okay. Audio recording level. There we go. This is what we need. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. This is a test. I'll turn it down a little bit. So we'll put it on 10. That seems quite good to start with. So let's record a bit of audio with this. Hello, my name is Kip from kiphakes.tv and I'm just testing the audio. This is audio level 10 with the Rode mic on its lowest setting. Hopefully this will work. How's that sound? Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Crank it up to 15. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. This is a test. Okay, that looks quite good. It's going up to around -12, which is quite a good level for voice audio. Let's see how that sounds in practicality. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. How does this sound? Hopefully it's okay. It doesn't seem to be peaking out at all, and yeah, the signal looks pretty good really. Now I've noticed that this is a mono recording. Even though it's going through both channels, you can see both the channels are at the same level, but you know, that's okay. If the sound quality is good, it doesn't matter. Okay, so that is level 15 on the Sony and on the lowest level on the Rode. Cool. Right, so let's try. Let's crank it up a tiny bit and see how that sounds. So I'm just recording this on my Sony, the level 18. It does seem to be getting a bit higher than possibly what it should be. So I reckon we might need to crank it down a little bit. It's certainly not hitting the red zone, but I don't know, it looks a little bit high for my eyes. I don't have monitoring, so I can't tell, but yeah, it could be a bit high. But we'll crank it back down, maybe to sort of, oh, I don't know, maybe back to 15, maybe a little bit less. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, hello, this is a test. My name is Kip from kiphakes.tv. That looks okay, let's give it a go. Hi, I'm Kip from kiphakes.tv. This is a test of the audio recording using the RØDE Wireless GO microphone. This is level 12 on the Sony camera and this is the lowest setting on the RØDE Wireless GO. It doesn't look too bad. I think maybe 15 might have been our sweet spot. I won't know fully yet, but I think that might be what we need. Let's give that a try. Yeah, I'm thinking maybe a little bit more just to get it about right. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, 14. I'm going to do it at 14. That seems a good compromise. Testing, testing, 1, 2. No, I'm going to go to 15. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Hello, this is Kip from kiphakes.tv. I'm testing this microphone now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the camera down and I'm going to go for a little walk and we'll see how well it picks it up, if it does. Shall we do this? Let's do this. Right, I'm just going for a little wander. I'm leaving the room. Goodbye everyone, I'm off. Now I'm wearing my mic. Now apparently they've got like a 70-meter transmission, which is like really good, but that is line of sight. So I'm going to go out of line of sight. I'm probably about 4 meters away now, still in line of sight, but we're going to slowly move away, moving out of the way. Just going to come into the other room and see Dougie. Dougie, Dougie, Dougie. Hello. Hello. Good boy. Yes, good boy. Doesn't seem to have lost signal yet. Now I'm just going to go in the living room and have a little look out the window. Oh, I'm in the living room. Still seem to have a signal. Let's have a look out the window. Yeah, not much going on in the world. I'm just going to go in the kitchen. Through several thick walls now. Might not work. Might not work. Oh no! Still seems to have a signal. That's pretty good. That is pretty good. Okay. Coming back now. Back once again with the ill behaviour, with the ill behaviour, with the ill behaviour. There we go. So, yeah, that looks pretty good. Pretty good indeed. And look, it looks quite nice on there as well. So this is the audio recorded through the Wireless Go at the moment. I'm just seeing how it sounds. I think it's all right, isn't it? When fully charged, the RØDE Wireless GO offers about 7 hours of battery life, which is really good. So that's great for like a day out filming. I wonder if you can charge and use. Shall I try that? Obviously, it's a little bit harder to charge this while you're on the go. But can you have a charge coming through whilst recording? These are the things that people want to know. Yes, that's charging and recording. That's super handy. I like that. That's really good. Well, hopefully, see, the thing is, I can't actually hear the audio back. So fingers crossed, it all works. And it all sounds okay, but yeah, the audio has been recorded through this for like the last part of the video anyway. I am very, very impressed with this. It's kind of everything I wanted it to be, and it's a great little package. Now I believe the cost of these is around about £150. And RØDE do a lavalier microphone that plugs into this that's been specially designed for it, and that's about £50 as well. You can use just a standard TRS lavalier mic, but I might get one of the RØDE ones. And when I do, I'll probably do like a follow-up. But yeah, that's pretty good. That's very good, in fact. So just a few sort of other things. You can't connect two of these to one of those. It just won't work. They're sort of, you can only pair one to one. So if you wanted to record like a second participant, you'd need a second kit altogether. And then you could use like a left and right cable and merge it into a stereo signal and have one person on one channel and one person on the other channel. And then you could sort of mix it in post. But yeah, you can't have two transmitters paired to one receiver. It just won't work. Anything else that I can think of? No, I don't think so. I think I've covered everything. But yeah, hopefully it all sounds okay and I haven't messed things up. And if I have, I'll just have to use the audio of these guys. Okay, right. Well, that is it for now. Hopefully that's been an interesting video for you. If you like my videos, then please do give me a subscribe and also hit the bell so you get notifications when I next go live or publish something. So all that's left for me to say is thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be back soon for some more vlogging fun. See ya!